Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. I am so excited you are here today because we are talking about a juicing superstar that is about to make your health routine deliciously simple, the Breville Juice Fountain Cold. If you are tired of slow juices that heat up your juice or leave you with foam and pulp, this one is your ticket to cold, nutrient-packed drinks in seconds. Picture tossing in whole oranges, beets, and celery and getting a smooth, frothy glass without the mess or weight. No more oxidized flavors or extra cleanup. This pro-grade cold juicer makes fresh juice fast and fresh. Stick around because by the end, you will see why the Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a must for juice lovers. And hey, if you grab it through the link in the description, you support the channel at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get the best deal on Amazon. All right, let us dive into the features of this juicing gem. The Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a centrifugal juicer with a 3-inch wide feed chute that takes whole fruits and veggies, cutting prep time. It is built with a titanium-reinforced disc and mesh filter that spins at 5,000 RPM, extracting juice from leafy greens and hard roots in seconds while keeping it cold. The 850-watt motor is quiet at 60 decibels and handles up to 1 litre per session. The 2-speed control, one for soft fruits like berries, 2 for hard veggies like carrots, lets you match the power. The pulp bin is large, holding 1 litre of waste, and the juice jug is 1 litre with a froth separator for clear pours. The body is stainless steel, measuring 13.4 inches tall, 13.6 inches wide, 8.6 inches deep, and weighing 9 pounds. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and it comes with a cleaning brush, a 1-year warranty, and a recipe book. The price is around $150, a great value for cold extraction. Okay, now for the real talk, pros and cons after juicing everything from citrus to greens. Pros first. Number 1, the wide chute means less chopping, saving time. Number 2, the titanium disc keeps juice cold, preserving vitamins. Number 3, 2 speeds handle soft and hard produce without clogging. Number 4, the large pulp bin reduces emptying. Number 5, easy disassembly and dishwasher safe parts make cleanup quick. Number 6, it is quieter and more stable than many. Overall, it turns juicing into a high-yield, cool joy. Now cons, because balance is key. 1, the $150 price is higher than basic juices. 2, it is louder at high speed. 3, the pulp is wetter than slow juices, wasting some juice. 4, it is 9 pounds, not the lightest. 5, no foam separator in the jug for all models. 6, the feed chute needs some cutting for extra large items. But here's the truth, the pros make it a winner for most. If you juice a few times a week for health and want speed and coolness, this fits perfectly. Not for slow juice fans, but for fast, fresh results, it is a yes. So, my recommendation, snag the Breville Juice Fountain Cold today. It floods your day with cool, nutrient-rich juice. Click that referral link in the description to get it on Amazon with the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Your glass will thank you. Before we wrap, hit subscribe for more juicing joy and click the link to support us. What is your first juice? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, you rock. If this helped, like, share, or subscribe for more. See you next time.